Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready. The Acer Google TV powered on and your phone unlocked. Open Google Home and make sure you're signed into the same Google account on both devices. This lets them discover each other. Once done, enable Bluetooth and mobile location so the TV appears in nearby device lists, and confirm both are on the identical Wi-Fi SSID. Now go to Google Home and tap the TV to start the pairing and casting handshake. You'll now pair and set casting preferences. In Google Home, select the Acer Google TV and tap Set Up Device. Follow the on-screen code verification to confirm the link. That code prevents accidental connections. After pairing, open any cast-enabled app or pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. Then pick your Acer TV. Make sure to allow media and remote control prompts so your phone can act as a controller. If prompted, choose whether to mirror screen or cast only media. Finish by testing playback and controls. Play a short video to confirm audio and picture. If jitter appears, lower bitrate or change TV resolution. You can use your phone as remote, type with keyboard, and switch inputs from the TV menu. If casting fails, reboot the Acer TV and your phone. Check both are on the same Wi-Fi and that no VPN or guest network is blocking discovery. Reauthorize the Google account in Google Home if device still won't appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.